Hello guys, so today we are going to start our HTML classes to develop web pages from scratch. Now before we move on to the actual coding part, we need to know about the basics of HTML and how it works. So if you are aware of basic working of HTML and want to go to the coding section, then you may skip this video. So HTML is an acronym which stands for Hyper Text Markup Language. An HTML file basically is a text file containing special code. Now this file is received by the browser, which understands that code and gives us a rendered web page. As simple as that. But we have seen that web pages contain simple text also. That is meant to be displayed as it is. So how does browser differentiate between this simple text and HTML text? Well, this is done by something called tags. Tags help the browsers to differentiate the HTML code from the rest of the text. So tags are basically text enclosed within angular brackets. Now these tags can be further divided into two types. First one is empty tags. These tags are all by itself and need not to be present in pairs. The second one is container tags. These tags contain an opening tag and a closing tag, which is the same as the opening one but with a slash, and all the text in between these opening and closing text is to be handled by the tag containing it. Okay, so now imagine that we have a website to be made with thousands of lines of code. Then it can become a hectic task to understand the code and to identify what it does. So for this, just like in other programming languages, we can use comments. In HTML, a comment starts with the left angular bracket and an exclamation, then two dashes, which is then followed by the text to be written in comment. And after that text, again we write two dashes and then the right angular bracket. These comments can be multi-line too. Let us now talk about the basic structure of any HTML document. HTML document starts with the container tag HTML, within which all other elements of the web page will go. Next, the remaining structure is divided into two parts, head and body. For head part, we use the container tag head, which usually contains information about the web page. For example, title of the web page, icon, description of about what the page is, what all files are to be referenced along with the page, and so on. It may also contain some styling elements, which by the way we will be talking about in our CSS tutorials once we get finished with HTML. In the body part, for which we use the container tag body, we put all those things which we actually want to get displayed in the web page. So be it your images, paragraph, links, buttons, forms, all of this will be present within the body tag. And the last piece of information, any HTML document is saved with extension .html or .htm. This allows the browser to know that the file which is being accessed is basically an HTML document and not just a simple text file. And hereafter, to develop any HTML web page, you may use any text editor ranging from as basic as Notepad to something developer friendly as Sublime Text. So that's it for this video, and we will meet in the next one.